Hello everyone, in this video, we'll bring you beautiful super widgets on Xiaomi devices. Each widget can contain many different functions, diverse styles, helping you personalize your phone in your own way. Beautiful clock widgets. Also includes pet widgets and super folder. Battery widget with charging animation. Interesting animations when opening and closing super widgets. Cute fan widget. Touch to start fan. Small size clock with depth effect wallpaper. Colorful clock widgets. Let's install these super widgets on your phone. I will do it with this device. On this device, there are currently no super widgets. Now, start the installation with me. Open Settings app, My Device, Backup, and Restore Features. Uncheck All. Only select System Launcher to back up data. Next, download backup file Make by me in video description. After downloaded, open File Manager. Find downloaded file, press and hold More. Then copy or move file. Copy file to the path. Select latest backup folder, sort by time modified. This file is original system launcher data. You can copy file to another place to save it, to return default system launcher, or you can replace it. Downloaded file replaced original file. Return to backup and restore features in settings. Restore tab. Select latest backup data to restore. Finish and exit to home screen. These super widgets have appeared on the home screen. There are a lot of super widgets. If you don't like them, you can delete them. Delete and rearrange the home screen to your liking. File in video description. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.